Hi, a very warm welcome to our channel Codepathshala. Let's start with this statement. Programming is new literacy nowadays. So if you don't know how to program, if you don't know the basic programming, then you are as good as some illiterate person. And I'm pretty happy that CBSE has introduced the computer science and Python programming as a compulsory subject in 11th and 12th, not an optional subject anymore. So let's uh, discuss it, the syllabus, how good the syllabus is. Let's do a small analysis here. So this file I have downloaded this from CBSE website. So when I skim through this, the content of this syllabus, this curriculum, I found it quite good. And believe me, if you work on this syllabus with wholeheartedly, just not for the marks sake, then it's going to help you throughout your career very, very much. So let's start from here. The learning outcome is very, very much clear. The first thing is ability to basic computational thinking. It's like you should learn how to think like a computer. If you are thinking like a computer, then it will be quite easy to program things for computer to work upon. Basically, computer is a idiot box that's know nothing, but it's quite laborious and it never get tired. So it's a great slave. If you know the language to talk the computer, then you are the master and you can be a great master. So the language is one thing. It's some programming language that get converts to 0 and 1 and then talk to the computer. Another thing is data structure. Data structure is how to structure your data. We will discuss everything, each and every part in details in the later lectures. So as per objective, you should learn about the computational thinking, you should learn about the data structure, you should learn about the algorithms, what is the methodology to break down a problem into the computer specific problem. So that part is called algorithm. Apart from this, architecture, operating system, mobile computing, cloud computing, and I also found it somewhere that blockchain, yeah, it's in the class 12th curriculum. It's quite new technology and going to be big in the near future. And apart from this, here is a touch of cyber world, cyber security, cyber safety, cyber crime, and some ethics and all. So in this there are three units. The one is computer system and organization. The greatest and biggest part is this one. This is computational thinking and programming. That is quite easy. So these 45 marks are like uh, a tasty cake. You can just cut that and boom. So it's going to be quite interesting, and these both parts are more or less theory part, and I will give you notes for both of these parts, and those notes I will also explain, so it's going to be quite easy for you. And if we go downward, then here are some programs. So more or less in Python, if we check this, so these all are the basic functionalities. And if we say directly, so these are normally data structures which are by default available in the Python to use. And when we come to the Python programming, it's quite great programming. It's actually written for the mathematical tasks, so it's quite good when it comes to playing with numbers or some big giant calculations. So we also have some great packages like pandas and numpy, but that out of the scope. But I will give you an idea in the later lectures about that part as well. So if we go downside for the 12th class, then the programming is getting a bit tougher, but not that much. And one thing that disappointed me here is I'm not able to found the Django, which we previously have in the last year's syllabus that I checked. So we also had Django there. So it's my recommendation that you should learn at least one web framework as well, either Django or you can go with Flask. So I can help you out with that if anyone wants. So the first thing, first 3 units was those programming basics. Another thing is computer organization, and the third one is that cyber law and ethics. Apart from that, computer networks and database. So you just miss operating system. So if you also read a bit about operating systems, then the complete computer science is covered for you at the basic level. So these programming problems are quite good, and usually these programming problems also being asked in fresh interviews when a company comes to the campus placement. So those people also ask these problems. So doing these problems here can be helpful for you in near future as well if you are planning to do engineering after your 12th class. In that case, these problems are going to be quite good. And if you are also not planning to engineering, then doing some basic programming stuff will give you so much confidence, then you can do anything in your career. So if you are going in commerce side, you are going to into stats, you are going to in biotechnology, microbiology, then this little bit of programming will help you up to great extent in doing some modeling, uh, or doing some data science, data crunching, or data analysis. So it's going to be quite a good and graceful journey from here. So as for the syllabus part and curriculum part, I found this curriculum quite good, just missing that web framework part. So if you complete that web framework and a bit of operating system, then things are going to be quite good for you. So let's go for this wonderful journey together, and let's learn together. For more information, you just need to go here. Uh, this is our channel Code Pathshala. So you just need to hit youtube.com/Code Pathshala and you will reach the channel. Just subscribe it, and whenever I upload a new video for your subject, you will get a notification. For more information and to get connected, I also have a Facebook group. So I will post the link of that Facebook group in that video description. Just check it and join that group. And don't forget to post your suggestions and post a recommendation about the stuff, so I can serve you better, I can help you better. So stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. See you soon. Thank you.